Hi everyone. So today we'll know how to install the Anaconda package into your system so that we can go ahead with our first step and we have everything in place so that we can go ahead and practice Python. So I'll be walking you through how to use Python, how to use pandas, how to use Selenium, all the long way. But how do you use it for data churning, data transformations, and everything related to data science? Even you can automate small tasks with it, and trust me, it's fun to play around with it, as well as it's very easy. It's not that difficult at all, and you don't need to have a computer science background. I can walk you through each of the steps, and you can grasp this kind of work very easily. So here we go. First things first. Anaconda is a kind of a package. It's a software where you can, install the entire thing. It will give you a IDE where you can directly get through your Python, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider. So let's start. How do you get to Python that stage? So basically, first thing is Anaconda can be downloaded from its website. So I'll open Google Chrome and we can directly go here and search Anaconda. The moment you type in Anaconda, the first thing that will come to you is this Anaconda, the world's most popular data science platform. Just go to this page. Once you are in this page, you need to go to products. Don't worry about pricing, solutions, anything else. So see, there are different versions here, and we, as we're learning and we'll be using it for our own purpose, and if you want to do freelance work, you can also use this individual edition, which is open source distribution. The rest of them are commercial, then team edition, then full enterprise editions, everything is there. So for now, we'll go and click on the individual edition. If you have any questions still here, please mention them in the comment section. Now see, once you are in this page, in this individual edition page, you have a direct download link here. But take a note that we don't want to click it directly here. The thing is, it's Python 3.9 and it's a 64-bit graphical installer. If your system is not 64-bit architecture, please scroll down. We'll just go slowly, and just in the below part, you will see for each of the operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, you have different installers. So for Windows, if you have a 32-bit or a 64-bit, choose yours and click on the download link. And if you have a Mac OS, here, if you have Linux, you have 4 different ones. Now see, the thing is, we have a 64-bit system right now in which we are talking. Mine one. So this is a 64-bit graphical installer. We need this one, 510 MB. I can click here or at the top of the page where we went here. So I'll just go the bottom. Here we had it. Okay. So this is it. Once you click it, the download will start. Ignore the rest of the page. You can either minimize it and wait for it. It's pretty easy. It will just take it depends upon the internet speed, guys. So if you have a proper internet connection which gives you 100 Mbps plus speed, so I think it will be taking less than a minute to download. It's almost half done. We'll walk you through the installation as well, and for today we'll just print one command, that is welcome or hello world, like everybody does. So no need for any coding background, no need for any data science background. You can learn it hands-on and it's very easy. So we'll see how to go there. Small steps. So it's already here. You can directly click on this, or you can just go to show in folder. It's better that you go in show in folder so that I can walk you through it. And here is your package. So what we'll do is we'll double click on this. Let us minimize. I'll just close off the Google Chrome browser and the downloads. Let us just run it. We don't need this window. And we'll click on, once the installer comes in, click on next. Click on I agree. Now in this page, if you are going to use the same Anaconda for each of the users, and you are an admin in this system, you can select this so that you can give access to each of the users. I have only one user in the system, so I will be using myself only for my purpose. So it is just me. So again, if you want multiple users to use it through your system, your siblings, maybe your colleagues, you can click on this option. Otherwise, if it's only you, just click just me and then click next and just look at the path. It will directly go to the default folder. Okay, just click on OK. Okay, we are facing some issue here. We'll just change the path. This kind of issues will happen if there is already an installed package there. So what we'll do is we'll go to browse and delete it. All right, now you can just Anaconda and put a backslash. We'll create a folder if not there. Now see, you don't need to add a path to this path with environment variable. Just click on register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.9 and click on install. The installation will start pretty easy and it will be very fast. I'll just shut for a minute and I'll skip to the part where it is installed. All done here. Click on next. I'll just remove this. If you want, you can see the tutorial. Just click on finish. It will open up the web page and give you, two links where you can see the individual edition tutorial. You can follow this. These are video tutorials. These are very useful. Or if you don't want, if you're comfortable looking at this video which I am showing, you can just follow my channel. Be sure to subscribe it. That's all. So there's a quick start guide. You can just close this off and all you need to do is go to your search bar, type Jupyter. See, we can program, you can write the codes in Spider or else in Jupyter Notebook for Python. I prefer doing it in Jupyter Notebook. Its interface is way better. So I'll just type Jupyter and here we are. Just click on this. It will automatically open up your browser. Let me close this. And see, there's the interface of Jupyter Notebook. So you have files, all the browser here. You can check your all notebooks and you can see the running cluster, running if any terminal is running or a notebook is running, it will show it to you here. And you can upload a script here or browse or a file to browse here. And this is the button which will, you can always refresh it if you are, saving it and it's not reflecting here. You can always click on this refresh. You can sort this by name, modify date or file size. And this new button will help you create a new notebook. No text file, no folder, no terminal. I'm just going to create a fresh new notebook. This is the interface of notebook. I'll walk you through for each of the options, not now, but on a later video. For now, just let us run our first command. Print. The moment you type print and then you use the first bracket, it will automatically the closing bracket, and then you just need to put one inverted comma and let's just say welcome to Python. So the moment this is done, whatever I've written between the quotes will be basically displayed once the command runs, whatever is within the quotes. Now to run this command there are two options. One is Control Enter, so it just runs the command and gives you the output. Otherwise, if you want to run the command and create a new cell, so this is basically a cell where you are running your first command. This is your cell. Right now in this square brackets there is no status. Once you keep it running, it will come with an asterisk. Once it is run, it will show the number of the last run number, basically the sequential number of the command. So I don't want to create a new cell, So I'll just press Control Enter. If you want to create a new cell and run this, that is Shift Enter. See, the moment I press Control Enter, it's welcome Python. Thank you guys. Be sure to subscribe it and keep following my channel. Will come with lots of data science videos which will make your life way easier. And I'm there to hold your hand, so don't worry at all. See you. Bye bye.